Hi all, welcome back, and we are creeping down the home straight of the last few days of March Madness. We are nearly there. Today we have Seal and Crab. And thank you for coming back and joining me, by the way. We have all done amazing. Okay, so for this move, you need to have our toes together and we are C-curl, chin to the chest. So you're able to lift your feet like this, okay? All right, let's start with Seal. So we're going to have our feet up and our chin tucked, and we're going to roll back and forth. Keeping our toes together. And then what we're going to do is we're going to clap, clap. Like a seal, clap, clap, clap. I'll do one more. So crab extends upon that. We have the same legs. And what we do is when we come to the forward, we roll over our legs. It can be a little bit difficult, so we come back, bring our legs together, come across the feet, and our head comes to the floor, and we come back, cross our feet. I'm going to move back so that I can not be putting my forehead on the ground. So we've still got our feet. We're going to cross them. I'm going to grab again. We're going to knees out wide, come over our feet and over. Back we go, cross and up and over. I'm going to do one more. Woo. And going in every direction, over. Whew, that one is crab. Actually, I haven't done that in a fair while in class. So guess what I'll be doing with the next class that's coming up shortly. They will be getting a little bit of crab. I will see you again